NASA's TESS discovered something impossible, a planetary system defying physics, an exoplanet system like no other. Imagine a cosmic ballet, planets orbiting in harmony, yet something feels off. This system lies 200 light-years away, in the constellation Hydra, 5 planets tightly packed. To put that in perspective, these planets are closer than Mercury is to our Sun. The discovery happened in 2023. Using the Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, a mission dedicated to finding exoplanets. One planet orbits its star every 3.5 days, another an astonishing 7.8 days. Think about what that means. Imagine the year changing, not in months, but in days. What makes this system unique? The planet's strange orbits. They seem to interact gravitationally. But here's where it gets strange. Their sizes vary wildly, from Earth-sized to Neptune-sized. How do such diverse planets end up in such close proximity? The TESS data revealed more. It showed resonant orbits, a cosmic dance of gravitational forces. Picture a celestial symbols per hour only, each planet playing its part, but always in sync with the others. This resonance hints at formation mysteries. Did these planets migrate inward, or form where they are now? The implications are enormous. Our models of planetary formation can't fully explain this arrangement. To understand, we must rethink our theories. Consider the forces shaping these worlds. But the story doesn't end there. What about the atmospheres? How do they survive such proximity? High temperatures, intense radiation, yet these planets persist, their atmospheres intact. Now consider this. Interactions might even create unique weather patterns, unseen before. Could life exist here, in such a dynamic environment? We face a deeper mystery. Why do these planets stay stable? What keeps them from colliding? Think about what that means. Our universe is more complex than we ever imagined. What comes next changes the question entirely. Are there other systems equally or more bizarre? Imagine standing 1 kilometer away from a cosmic marvel. Planets locked in a gravitational dance. Our understanding of the universe is still in its infancy. Each discovery reshaping our knowledge. This exoplanet system forces us to reconsider what we thought we knew. And this is where it gets strange. The more we learn, the less we understand. Every answer leads to new questions. Every discovery opens another door. As we gaze into the cosmos, we realize our smallness, our place in an ever-expanding universe. But the story doesn't end there. Future missions will probe deeper into these planetary mysteries. With each mission, each discovery, we step closer to understanding. Yet new questions will always arise. To put that in perspective, we're explorers at heart, seeking truths in the starlit void. This bizarre exoplanet system defies our current understanding, rethinking the boundaries of science. How does something that massive just exist in perfect balance? Think about what that means. Our quest for knowledge is an endless journey. In the midst of discovery, we find wonder, a reminder of the universe's majesty. What comes next changes the question entirely. As we look to the stars, we find reflections of our own curiosity, and in that curiosity lies the essence of exploration, a hunger for the unknown. But here's what we still don't know. How many other systems defy the rules we thought unbreakable? Imagine standing 1 kilometer away from a cosmic dance, planets in perpetual motion. The universe is vast and full of surprises, each discovery more astonishing than the last. As we peer into the night sky, we seek to understand, knowing the journey is never over. Let that sink in. Our place in this universe is just one part of a grand tapestry. The bizarre exoplanet system will continue to intrigue, challenging our minds and expanding our horizons. And this is where it gets strange. The more we learn, the more we realize how much remains to be discovered. The universe is a grand mystery, and we are its explorers. What comes next changes the question entirely. With each new discovery, a new chapter begins. Our journey through the cosmos is just getting started, a testament to human curiosity. As we continue to explore, we embrace the unknown. Fueled by wonder and discovery, we stand at the frontier, the edge of cosmic understanding. Each step forward reveals more paths. The bizarre exoplanet system is just one piece of the puzzle, a glimpse into the universe's complexity. Imagine the countless systems yet to be discovered, each with its own secrets. To put that in perspective, our galaxy alone may host billions of such systems. Think about what that means. Each star a potential sun, each planet a new world. But the story doesn't end there. As telescopes become more powerful, our reach extends ever further. With the James Webb Space Telescope, we'll peer deeper into these systems, unveiling details previously unseen. What will we find? New atmospheres, new compositions, perhaps signs of life? Here's where it gets strange. Every discovery prompts new questions about life, formation, and evolution. Our place in the cosmos becomes both clearer and more mysterious. Each answer leads to further inquiry. Imagine the technology of tomorrow, spacecraft traveling beyond our solar system, visiting these distant worlds. To put that in perspective, such a journey would span lifetimes, a testament to human ingenuity. Think about what that means. Future generations may walk on these alien planets. But the story doesn't end there. Our understanding of physics may evolve as we explore. New theories could emerge, explaining what now seems impossible, rewriting the fundamental laws. What comes next changes the question entirely. Not just how planets form, but why they form the way they do. Imagine a universe where each discovery reshapes reality, where the impossible becomes possible. To put that in perspective, our journey is both scientific and philosophical, a quest for knowledge and meaning. Think about what that means. We're not just studying planets, we're exploring our own potential. Here's what we still don't know. The forces that bind these worlds. Are they common or unique? As our journey continues, we must remain open-minded, ready for the unexpected. Imagine standing 1 kilometer away from a planet with unknown possibilities, a world like no other. Each new discovery propels us forward, reminding us of the universe's vastness and our humble place within it. The bizarre exoplanet system teaches us to question, to seek, to explore, to dream. What comes next changes the question entirely. With every revelation we grow, as scientists, as explorers, as a species. To put that in perspective, we're part of a cosmic narrative, a story written in the stars. Think about what that means. In the face of the unknown, we find unity and purpose. As we look to the future, our journey continues. Guided by curiosity and wonder, the universe beckons us onward, its mysteries yet to be unraveled, its secrets waiting to be revealed. In this grand exploration, we're not just observers, we're participants. Imagine the next chapter, as we venture further into the cosmos, discovering worlds beyond imagination. What comes next changes the question entirely. For the universe is vast, and our journey is just beginning. Let that sink in. Our quest is infinite, an endless pursuit of discovery. The bizarre exoplanet system is but the start, a stepping stone to the unknown. And in that unknown, we find our true purpose, to explore, to learn, to understand. The stars await us, and so we go into the vast, uncharted universe. The universe is vast, and we have only just begun. If this made you feel the scale of what lies beyond, subscribe to Alpha Centauri Signals. The road to the stars is just getting started.